Hi, I'm Tom Riby from KRA, and we're at InfoComm this year launching a couple of new products. We have the KX2, which is a 2.5-inch high-excursion driver being launched here at the show. Will be available by the end of the year. And one of the most really exciting ones as well is our new Keystone subwoofer, again, available at the end of the year. What that is we're using the M-Force technology from Powersoft and combining it in a stainless steel cabinet, which has wonderful qualities in terms of creating enough vibration from the sound but no vibration in the casing. That has huge benefits for applications such as hotels, residential, where they don't want to hear the vibrations on the walls. So some really exciting stuff coming in KRA.